The control panel lock function is designed to lock the cooktop, thus avoiding changing any settings. This function is recommended during cleaning of the glass. To activate the control panel lock, press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds. The button will switch to high luminosity, and a light above the symbol will indicate that this function has been activated. To unlock the cooktop, press the lock button again for 3 seconds. You can only deactivate it if the cooktop is on. Note: when the control panel lock function is active, no other function can be activated. If you try to interact with the product, the button will blink. You can still switch the product on and off.